on, guys? I'm Beowulf back with another video. I'm in the Walkabout River, a little later start on Sunday Funday, but usually I thought it was gonna be pretty packed, so sometimes it could be like a lot of people here, and luckily there was not a lot of traffic to get out into the water. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, make sure you hit it if you're new to the channel. I do all types of different videos, but primarily jet skiing videos. Gonna branch doing some other stuff. It's just kind of hard with the whole car content. You know, like my Hellcat, whatnot, is they have like a point system in this state that I moved to, and you got 12 points, and I did get a ticket recently, so it's affected 2 points on my license. And I was just like, the cop was tailing me, and I thought it was somebody just riding my bumper, so I went a little quicker, and then he got me, and he claimed I blew by him, and that's what happens when you don't have a in-car camera or whatnot. So and the hard thing too is, like, they could get you in this state like just with your exhaust. I was at downtown Myrtle Beach, and some car is like a regular SUV with exhaust rev, and the police were like chasing after him. So the hard thing when you have a loud exhaust car, you know, you just rev the car, he's not even going fast, gets a ticket. It narrows down, just doesn't matter what state you're in, of what you can do car content. So I'm just trying to figure out what the best route to do that, where it's not asking for trouble. And definitely, I know you guys want to see some Hellcat content. I mean, basically Jeep SRT is used to get these to the water. So I'm gonna try some new stuff. I just picked up a new drone I'm gonna try out today too. So we'll have a little action pack, and we'll see who's on the river on a Sunday. It's nice that it's pretty calm right now. It's not like crazy. And the hard thing is being out here where it's really packed, and then, you know, you never know what kind of debris could be out in the river and stuff. So it's better to have it where it's not crazy packed. And let's get this, enough talking. Let's get this video going. bugs. Now the crazy thing, before I busted out the GoPro when I first started going, I'm in this narrow part and I've never had this happen ever riding, ever in my life. So I'm riding straight to this narrow part that I usually film and I didn't. I'm kind of glad I wasn't, so I was focusing, and also I'm going, probably doing like 45, 50, and it felt like I hit something. And when it felt like I hit something, the jet ski shot like straight to the right, had like no control at all. And I've never had that happen. And it didn't feel like someone was stuck in the jet. It's like it had been, could have been an alligator underwater. I didn't see, I turned around, I didn't see anything in the water, like a log, whatnot, but I hit something. Pretty strange. On the lowest pitch in this grade. That's what I'm thinking. neighborhoods. Look how many people, like, I just not a person, like, I don't like huge crowds like that. That's a no-go for me. Concerts are fun, but not that many people, man. Holy cow, there's a lot of people there today. I can tell there's a lot of people that just finally get on the water for this season, and a lot of boats broken down and a lot of people drinking, and that's a mix of very dangerous when you're out riding. To any of my viewers, if you're the age to drink alcohol, my 2 cents is I don't think it's a smart idea to drink alcohol and go drive a boat, drive a jet ski, any of that. You just don't want to hurt somebody else. And I'm not trying to act like this big adult here trying to like crush everybody's dreams, but like, you know, you just don't want to hurt somebody when you're out here. And it's definitely gotta have it's a big responsibility when you're riding one of these things, especially with how fast they go. I'm all into people wanting to get stuff quicker, but the reality is, like, what happened to me, like, I didn't see anything. It was normal, and whatever it did, like, I nearly crashed into trees, and nothing I saw was in front of me. And it's just like, that's kind of reality. It's like, you gotta be careful. I've seen videos, and now I can see where stuff has happened to people riding Yamaha, Kawasaki, Sea Doos. So like, you just gotta be a little careful when you're out riding these things, because it's definitely like crazy dangerous. Guys, man, I couldn't film much. I got the drone up and then get down, and it was like literally 20 minutes before it got dark. I was actually riding, it was so dark. I was gonna quickly pull out the GoPro, but I was in such a rush to get back to where the boat ramp was that I wouldn't advise riding in that dark conditions. I could slightly see light, and the problem with all the bugs out there, my sunglasses were covered with bug guts. Let me show you this. I didn't even want to film because it was so bad, but I'll show you guys. Sunglasses out. I mean, this was just, you know, obviously you ride it dark. I mean, it's gonna be like crazy. But I mean, look at my sunglasses. Like, I had to keep them on. And people wonder why I wear like glasses like this. This is the reason why I wear contacts, and I bought these. They kind of look like they're from the 80s, but the whole reason I wear them is I wear contacts. My eyes are real sensitive. I don't know if you can even see, my eyes are really red. I have bad allergies or something. But if you look at this, I mean, the bugs were going through, look at even through my nose area. Going fast, having a bug in your contact would really suck, and there's not really like you could fix it. So that's why I wear glasses like this. Looks like all mosquitoes. Yeah, so that's why I wear glasses like that. I see people asking, I'm not, like, it's not about fashion. Like, everyone thinks this is all fashionably. It's what works for the sport. Those are like sport glasses that people play sports. Riding jet ski going fast is a sport, so enough about that. But yeah, that's why I didn't want to film. Got home, first thing I did is ate, took a shower, then rinsed all the jet skis, and I want to get out of the outro of the video. So if you haven't picked up any of your I Am Beowulf merch, we got the hats. So I think I got on the RXP-X hat, even matching this hoodie. If you haven't picked up any of your I Am Beowulf merch, I have a thing up top and a link in the description. Pick up some of our merch. It's moving quick. Represent, and it looks cool, especially with the Sea Doo stuff. I'm gonna have newer stuff coming out too, but I'm gonna keep all this. This is awesome stuff. That you got the one that's the RXT X, and then you got the one that's the RXP-X like I got on. We got t-shirts, tank tops, hats, and the hoodies, and we got what the Beowulf logo. And also too, if you're from another country and you're not from the United States, on my website, iambeowulf.com, I do offer international shipping too. So I think it's set up like anywhere in the world. You can get one of these shirts, any of the merchandise you can get shipped to you. I got to kind of put that on the website where people know, because I've been moving a lot of stuff to Australia, and there's a couple of people that email me, wonder if I could get it to them, and I'm like, I was like, oh, totally. So, and any of those people have gotten the merch too, make sure on Instagram, if you're on that, send me a picture of you wearing the shirt or any stuff you buy from the iambeowulf.com online store. You can also email it to me at therealiambeowulf@gmail.com. Another thing too is make sure you guys, every day is Earth Day. You guys should clean up. If you see garbage on the streets, it doesn't matter if it's in the water, wherever you see it. Even if you're at the local gas station getting fuel, wherever, just put it in the trash. Just, and if you see somebody who's littering, you go up to them and, not to start any confrontation, but tell them, be like, hey, don't do that. Just pick up after yourself. There's responsibilities that people have to do. Be also, too, driven to win in life. Put a goal through. Make sure you work to get through with it. And that's about it. I'm actually really tired. And got to rinse up all my rest of my gear and then call it a night and then edit the next video. So I'll see you guys in the next one. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet and you're new, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.